Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: x plus 8 power 6 equals to 64. And in this video we have to find 6 values of x. Let's provide a solution very quickly. And we know that we have to copy what we have. We have here x plus 8 power 6, and this should be equals to 64. Right. And of course here this will be x plus 8 power 6 then minus 64, which is equal to 0. And of course we have x plus 8 power 6, and of course this 64 can be transformed into 2 power 6 to be equals to 6. Now we can change them as x plus 8 power 3, then here squared again minus this 2 power 3 and squared, and of course should be equals to 0. And you know that here this is a difference of two squares because they have same power of 2, and you have negative right here, so this is a squared. So we shall get here x plus 8 power 3 minus 2 power 3 times x plus 8 power 3 plus 2 power 3, which equals to 0. This is what we have right here. Now, if you're serious with this one only, we're going to call them as a. X plus 8 power 3 minus 2 power 3 will be equals to a, which is equals to 0, should be equals to a. And from here we have x plus 8 power 3 minus 2 power 3 equals to 0, should be equals to b. So let us start from here, the first case. First case, which is a. We have x plus 8 power 3 minus 2 power 3 equals to 0, and this is the same as a power 3 minus b power 3, and this is equals to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared equals to 0. And of course this one should be written as here, this one as a. Now this one we have a, which is x plus 8 then plus b, which is equal to 2, times here x plus 8 squared then plus here ab, which is equal to 2 times x plus 8 then plus 4, which is 2 squared, and should be equals to 0. And of course we have here x, and of course because we have here minus, we should make subtraction, so we have the plus 6, and of course we have x squared plus 2ab is equal to 16, x plus 64, then plus 2x plus 16. Right here we have 16, so plus 4 should be equals to 0, and here we have x plus 6, and here we have x squared. This and this should be plus 18, x plus here we have 64, right? You have 64 plus 4, which is equal to 68, and this should be equals to 0, as we have it right here. And of course this is 64. Now this is 20 plus 64, that is 84. Right. Now of course you have x, which equals to negative 6 right here, and this is x1, and we have x squared plus 18x plus 84 equals to 0. We have to find x3 and x2 and 3, which is equals to here negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, and over 2a. And of course this is x2 and 3 should be negative 18 plus or minus square root of here that is 18 squared minus 4 times 84 over 2. And of course, x2 and 3 here should be negative 18 plus or minus square root of here. And of course here, 18 squared is equals to, we have 324 minus, we have 6, 1 here, 32, 33. And of course over 2. And x2, here we have negative 18 plus or minus square root of here, we have negative 12 over 2. And of course, what we have right here is, here we have x squared, 2 and 3 here, which is equals to now 18 plus or minus, this should be 2i square root of 3 over 2. And of course, this is here negative 9 plus or minus I square root of 3. And x2 only is equals to negative 9 plus I square root of 3 as x2. And x3 here should be negative 9 here minus I square root of 3, as we have it right here. This is case 2, which is look as a power 3 then plus b power 3, which is equals to a plus b times here a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now of course here we have x plus 8 then plus 2, as we have it right here, times x plus 8 squared minus here 2 times x plus 8 then plus 4 equals to 0. And of course this one should be x plus 10 times x squared plus here, this is 16x plus 64 minus 2x minus 16 then plus 4 equals to 0. And of course this is x plus 10 times here x squared, 16x minus 2x is equals to plus 14 x, and here I have 68, then this is, and this 68 minus 16 shall get plus 52, which is equals to 0. And of course here x4 equals to 10, and you shall remain with here, this is negative 10 x squared plus 14x plus 52 equals to 0. You're going to find here x5 and 6, which equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of here b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. And here x5 and 6 will be negative 14 plus or minus the square root of here 14 squared, this is negative 14 squared minus 4 times 52 over 2. Then x5 and 6 will be negative 14 plus or minus the square root of here 196 minus here we have 8, 208 over 2. And of course we have x5 and 6, which is equals to negative 14 plus or minus square root of negative 12 here over 2. And of course x5 and 6 will be negative 14 plus or minus here 2i square root of 3 over 2. And x5 and 6 will be negative 7 plus or minus here I square root of 3. x5 only will be negative 7 plus I square root of 3, and x6 here will be negative 7 minus I square root of 3 as our solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.